Hello everyone, we are back with the bang and we are now at calculation drills number 7. Okay, we are at the 7th day now of continuously doing calculation drills. So what are we going to do today? Let's start with tables first. Okay, a few tables first. We'll do practice and focus more on multiplication, and we'll select a little difficult tables as well today. Okay, let's go somewhere near 40, 39, this and this. Okay, we're going to do that as well. And let's start off. Okay, this is 240 plus 28. This is going to be 268. I've told you the method how to do that. Now we have 37 into 27. Okay, 37 into 27. So what we can do is we can multiply 3 with, or like 30 with 27 first, 30 with 27 first, or how about doing it quickly in our regular way? 7 sevens are 49, 7 threes are 21, this is 259, multiplied by 2 sevens are 14, 2 threes are 6 and 7. So this is gonna be 999. Okay, this is gonna be 999, which is correct. Again, 79 into 37. Instead of doing that, let me do 80 into 37 first. So 8 sevens are 56 and 8 threes are 24. This is 2960, and a minus 37 needs to be done because we multiplied it by 80 first. So when I do that, I get 23 here, right? I get 23 here, and this is 2923. You get it? Okay, 37 into 35. 37 into 35 is going to be a little interesting, more interesting. Why? Because we have something, right? So can I do this, that I can have a 35 into 35 and I can add a 2 times into 35 along with it, right? So 35 square is 3 into 4, which is 12, and a 25 in the end. So 1225 plus 70. So 1295 is going to be my answer, right? So I was correct. Simply 4 into 34, 4 into 43, sorry, 4 into 43, that's going to be 129, right? Again, 76 into 37. When such calculations come, you can take things up like this. 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49, this is going to be 53, 3 6 are 18, and 3 7s are 21, this is going to be 22. Then this is going to be 8 and 2812. 2812. Okay, you have to do these things a little faster. Can we, instead of going here, 98 into 39, 98 into 39 might be a little longer. Can we make it 100 into 39, which will become 3900, and then minus 2 times 39? So 80 minus 2 is 78. So 78 is gonna go from here. This is gonna leave me at 22. So 3822 is the answer I was looking for. Okay. Did you understand what method I followed here? I chose the number which is closer to a more favorable or a easier outcome. So out of 98 and 39, 98 is close to 100. If I multiply things by 100, then 39 becomes 3900, the point where I reached here. Further, I did a minus 2 times of 39 because we had multiplied by 100, and in the original question, it was asking me to multiply with 98. That is why a minus 2 times with 39. So 3822 is the correct answer. 40 into 32, this is 120, 128, 1280, right? 76 into 4, 75 into 4 is 100, 100 plus, oh, sorry, 75 into 4 is 300, 300 plus 4 is 304, correct? Got it? You have to look out for the number which is closer to you. Then 7 nines are 63, 7 nines are, or let me do a simply 40 into 35. 40 into 35 is gonna be 140 or 1400, right? 40 into 35 is gonna be 1400. 1400 minus 35 once, it's gonna give me 1365, and that's my answer. 1365. This is 305, 305. This is 240 and 18, 258. This is 18 threes are 54. This is 50 into 37. Or see what I'll do. 50 into 37. This can be done as 5 sevens are 35. Or why not do the regular formula? 51 into 37. Okay, let's do it with 1. So it's going to be 37 for the first time. Let's do it with 5. 5 sevens are 35. And 5 threes are 15. 185. This is going to be 8. And 1887. 1887. Okay, 25 into 4 is nothing but 100. 63 into 40. This is 240 and 12. 252 and a 0 at the end. 370s are 210. 210 minus 3 is going to be 207. 56 into 38. Okay, 56 into 38. I can do 50 into 30 and call it 1900 first. Sorry, 50 into 38 and call it 1900 first. And then I can do a 6 into 38. 6 into 30 is 180. 6 into 8 is 48. Okay, so this is 8, this is 12, and this is an 11, and this is this 2128. Okay, similarly 85 into 40. 85 into 2 is 170. 170 to 170 into 2 is 340. So 3400. 21 into 2 is simply 42. And 95 into 2 it's gonna be 190. Similarly, 4 into 80 is gonna be 320. 320 minus 4 is gonna be 316. 67 into 40. I'm gonna do that first. 67 into 40 is 4 sevens are 28, 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2 is going to be 2680. 2680 minus 39 is going to crack the deal for me. This is 7 and 3. 7 and 3 gives me a 4, right? 7 and 3 gives me a 4. This is 2641. 264. Sorry, this I wrote 3641. It is 2641. Okay, there was a small mistake. Let me do it. 4 sevens are 28, 4 6 are 24. 2680 minus 1 minus 39. Yeah, that is supposed to be the thing. This is not 2. It is supposed to be 2641. Yeah, that is going to be 2641. Let me do it one more time. 67. Let me do it on a new page. 67 into 39. Instead of 39, I'm doing it with 40. 4 sevens are 28. 4 6 are 24. This is 2680. Okay, I did it with 40. So I'll have to subtract 1. Okay, I'll have to subtract 67 from this. By mistake I subtracted 39 out of this. That's gonna give me a 3. It's gonna be 1. So this is 2613. 2613. Okay, this was the mistake that I was making. This is gonna be 63. 78 into 39. So with the table of 39, I should rather use 40 here. I would rather use 40 here. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 4 7s are 28. This is going to be 3120. And I'm going to subtract a 78 out of this. For subtracting 78, I'm going to get a 2 here. I'm going to get a 4 here and a 0. So 3042 is what I was looking for. Okay. 4 8 4 4s are 16. 16 160. 160 and 32 is going to be 192. Right. So we did let's do this one as well. 90 into 4 is 360. 360 minus 4. It's going to be 356. 356. Okay. Let's do this as well. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. This is going to be 2200. Let's now stop here. We've done most of the things. We did the tables drill, and the tables drill we did it in the practice mode. We selected particularly multiplication, and this time we selected the questions which were a little tough, or we selected the numbers which were a little tough. Here what you have to do is you'll have to, when you do it on your phone, you'll have to swipe. Okay, you'll have to swipe towards the left and the screen would move towards the right. You have to swipe towards the left, or you have to swipe towards the right and the screen will move towards the right. Swipe left or right, whatever your settings are. Okay, swipe left or right, and then you'll get more tables. Okay, you'll get more difficult tables. There are multiple operations available with us, so you may come and see it for yourself. Thank you.